Hi guys, BFDS here, and today back with another video. It's just me and Ben again, and we're doing the woodwork challenge. It's where we have to hit the left post, the crossbar, then the right post, and whoever gets all three first wins. So let's get into the video.
Yeah? So I'll go first?
Yeah.
So left post, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, there we go.
Easy. Ben's hit the left post first try. Here's my go.
That was actually a really good goal.
Wait, did it go in? I don't know, but I got it really kind to the top left post.
And then it bounced down.
Oh, that would have been such a good goal. Think how high that would have got in the top corner. So,
Just try and play it.
you're going to miss, Dan.
Yeah, P-roll this.
I'm trying to just kick it on the ground, see? Right, Ben, second go.
I'm actually quite good at crossbar.
Yeah.
Remember when I said I'm going to do crossbar, hit it first. I probably won't hit it now.
He's actually going to hit it. He's going to hit it. This is going to be such a short video. Guys, I'm actually really quite good at accuracy. Not trying to brag or anything, but before we made the channel, we went outside in the garden like the first vid, and we played a game of skill. We'll do a new video and we'll actually record us playing skill. I'm going to hit crossbar, and I hit crossbar. So I'm actually quite good. I'm quite good at accuracy, aren't I?
Yeah, right.
Yeah, so I've got to hit right post now.
There we go. Yeah, no, good, don't worry.
Alright, Ben hits it now. Well, I've got crossbar now, but if Ben hits the right post, he's won.
I go P-roller.
No.
Oh.
Oh, he's missed. I have a chance, but I doubt I'll hit crossbar.
I think I've gone P-roller.
I'll have loads of attempts at crossbar.
It's better when I aim and fire. Aim and fire.
I'm just gonna next time just smash this. It's a crossbar challenge. That's a great crossbar.
Yeah, yellow blue right now. Just
Okay guys, I'm gonna try just round this off and just hit crossbar.
down your man.
Not crossbar, I meant right post, by the way.
Oh,
Hit the crossbar again. Right, this is the one. You got it, crossbar.
Oh! Dan, you got it like the highest you've ever got it in the penalty shootout. No, it's yeah, when you got it top right, that was like the highest you've ever got it.
He's hit the crossbar like 3 times now. So, this is the one. You just keep saying that every time.
That was the worst one. If I eat crossbar again, I'm actually so annoyed. I'm not even aiming for crossbar. It's just I'm so addicted to hitting crossbar.
Try new P-roller again. No.
Oh,
He was that close. He's so close.
that was actually inches.
Dan, just lean back. Lean back, Dan, you'll get it higher.
Okay, I think I'm just going to try and end it here. If I get a bit closer last time, I'll hit it, even an inch.
I thought it was going to be a short video, but alright.
There you go.
Yeah. He's hit it. I hit the crossbar 5 times out of 6 shots. No, I've hit the woodwork 5 times out of 6 shots, but I wasn't posting. That's good. Alright.
Wait, don't stop it. Wait, Dan. Wait, have you hit? Oh no.
Okay, guys. Thanks for watching. This is Crossbar. Thanks for watching, guys.
That was the best outro ever. I just got a crossbar.